BalanceWare, next-generation trial balance software, designed for the pressures of a demanding tax season. Welcome to another BalanceWare 3-minute video. Today, I'd like to present our SSARS Dashboard, which produces engagement letters, accountants' reports, representation letters and more. So let's get started. Let's open the Sample C Corporation SSARS Dashboard, found on the Client tab of BalanceWare's ribbon. The Engagement Definition tab of the dashboard opens by default. This is where the various options are defined so that BalanceWare can produce the letters and reports in compliance with SSARS 21, and more specifically ARC sections 80 and 90. Let's start with some basics first. Your firm name and mailing address are required. BalanceWare also requires your city and state repeated below the address, for reporting purposes. In addition, click on the Sole Proprietor option, if appropriate. This option indicates substitutions for pronouns, such as I or we, am or are, etc. BalanceWare will remember these settings, once entered. If you haven't already, your letterhead can be added, by specifying the image location, on the Options tab of the Client Administration dashboard. Next, we will examine the client-specific options, the engagement, either compilation or review, and for compilation engagements, the impairment option can be selected. For review services, the SSARS framework can either be generally accepted accounting principles, or the tax or cash basis. Compilation engagements also have the financial reporting framework for small and medium-sized entities option. Additional options with respect to the financial statements include current year or comparative, and omitted disclosures and cash flows. Each type of letter or report has its own date. The engagement letter date and accountant's report date are required for compilation engagements. For review engagements, the representation letter date can also be specified. Above the dates, we find financial statement printing options. These options make the accountant's report, and a cover page, available to the financial statements found on the Accounting tab of the ribbon. The cover page can be printed from the SSARS dashboard, as well. And next, we'll look at the various reports and letters generated with the options we have set here today. The Reports and Letters tab generates documents and maintains your custom edits on a client-by-client basis. The selected report or letter can be edited using Microsoft's rich text editor, which has useful text editing features used by the SSARS dashboard. Features include font selection, font size, bold, italic, underline and more. One edit required on all engagement letters is the Fees for Services section. Other paragraphs required by SSARS can be added, as well. In the footer section of the dashboard are options to rebuild a document from scratch, export a document to rich text format, print a document, or copy the current document to the clipboard. And you can easily switch between documents. Another option, for the geeks in the crowd, you can switch to HTML view and edit tags directly. Let's take a look at an example of each of the 3 documents BalanceWare generated for this engagement. First, the signature-ready engagement letter, the review report, and, lastly, the representation letter. At year-end, your letters will be rolled forward to next year, and dates will be updated. In summary, BalanceWare's SSARS dashboard provides the flexibility to consider all the possible engagement parameters, and efficiently help you manage your engagements, year after year. We hope you find our 3-minute videos informative. Visit us on the web for the latest developments. Why not download our 30-day free trial? And please, let us know what you think. We value your feedback. Till next time, this is Tex Tilson for BalanceWare. Powerful tools to help you manage engagements.